Now we'll see how to hack into Facebook, Twitter, and Gmail accounts. There's an application that comes with Kali under the social engineering tools called SET, which is the social engineering toolkit. You can press the icon from here to run it, or open the terminal and write set toolkit. You will be prompted with a menu of 6 items. We are interested in social engineering attacks. Press 1. Then it will prompt you another menu with 11 different social engineering techniques or methods to execute. In this tutorial, we're interested to execute website attack vectors. So press on 2, then select credential harvester attack method, number 3. Here, you will be able to select web templates that already exist within the SET tool, or you will be able to tell the tool to clone a website, or you reference the tool to a custom import directory in order to import the website. In this tutorial, we'll choose one, which is the existing web templates in the SET tool. IP address for the postback is the local IP address we're using here, 192.168.211.132. Just to make sure, ifconfig, and this is my IP address. Press enter, then it will tell you which template you want to use. First of all, let's use the Google template. So template number 2, and it has created the file or the website under these directories. So it's actually created a fake Gmail website, so that will use in order to harvest the credentials from the users. Just press enter. You want to attempt to disable Apache. Seems Apache is running and this website wants to run, so press yes. Harvester is ready. Have victim browser for your site. So actually my IP address now is hosting a fake Gmail website. How to test that? I need to go to a browser on my Windows machine and type the IP address of the Kali machine, and here you go, it has Google page. So for example, press any email, type any email and any password, okay, and then sign in. Observe the behavior here. It will direct you to the Google page, and if I go to my machine here, I'll be able to capture the credentials. This is the email I used, and this is the password that I used. Simple, huh? So similarly, you can generate a report as well, etc. We'll do the same thing for the Twitter. Select the Twitter template, press return, and let's go to the website here again. 192.168.211.132, and here you go, you have a Twitter sign in. Again, just try to use any email and any password, press sign in. It will capture the credentials and redirect you to the Twitter homepage. The normal user will not notice this kind of behavior. Again, if you go to the machine, you'll be able to capture the credentials here. So this is regarding the attacks for Gmail and Twitter. Let's see how Facebook works. So in the Facebook example, we'll select we'll select site cloner. So select 2 and then use the localhost IP and then enter the site that you want to clone. In this case, it's Facebook. In this case, it's https login.facebook.com. It says that the files have been copied and it's running on port 80. So let's go here again and use the same IP. So here it seems some cross-site scripting. Just press Ctrl F5. Sorry, some CSS and JavaScript issues. Press Ctrl F5 And here we go. Just put any email and put any password, press login. Again, the same behavior. It will take you to the legitimate Facebook page, and if you go here, you'll see, where's that, the credentials that we use now are captured. Quite easy, huh? Now if you go to, sometimes it's not easy to share this link, 2.168.2.1.132. so this link is actually, we're still working in our lab, in our internal network, but once you publish this, and we'll see going forward in the videos how to publish this on the internet, it is not advisable to send such a link here. So you can go to the site bit.ly.com and just put your public link here. What's that? Just copy this address of your, and copy it here exactly, so it'll give you this short link here. You can send it through email to anyone, and once he presses on that, it will be redirected to the webpage hosted on your server. So now we learned how to spoof Facebook, Twitter, Gmail pages, and how to harvest the accounts. Now if you can link it to some of the techniques we studied earlier, such as DNS poisoning, ARP poisoning, you will be able to link the chains and come up with a scenario, which is a real-world scenario on how to combine social engineering with network attack techniques.